In this video, I'm gonna check if it is possible to use Dexcom G7 app on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 9. So let's get right into it. We're just gonna open the Play Store, and then over here we can just search for the app. So let's type Dexcom, or at least let's try to type it. There we go. And then we can search. And as you can see, unfortunately, Dexcom does not appear on this list of available apps. So you cannot actually get the app on your smartwatch, but if you have the Dexcom G7 app on your smartphone that is paired with your Galaxy Watch 9, then you should be able to receive notifications from your phone from that app on your Galaxy Watch 9. Of course, you might want to make sure that notifications from that app are enabled. So if we go to notifications over here and go to app notifications, then we can scroll down to the phone apps section. So then you can here find, of course, your Dexcom G7 app and make sure that it is enabled. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.